Blessed morning, everyone. I'm Archie Tobal. For today's video, I want to share with you the languages I know, the languages I want to learn, and the advantages of learning or using those languages. The languages I know are Bisaya, which is my mother tongue. I also know a bit of Tagalog, English, and Subanen. Currently, I'm learning more about the English language because it is my major, and until now I don't speak it fluently, and there are still many things about English that I want to know and learn. In addition, I'm also learning Subanin language so I can understand and communicate with my relatives who are pure Subanin. They don't know how to speak in Bisaya. And also, the advantages of these languages, uh, they help us connect with many people. When we know their language, we can we can understand them and communicate and talk with them. For example, when we know English language, it help us in education, jobs, and international communication. When we know Tagalog, it gives us a national connection, or it strengthens our identity as one. And when we know Bisaya language, it preserves our culture or our roots. Therefore, uh, the advantages of these languages makes us stronger, more connected, and proud of who we are. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification.